A very important question. Now I am just going to give you two more questions of the same type, but you have to watch what the difference is in between these three questions. Now the given series is is 4 plus double 4 plus triple 4 plus it goes on like this. Now can you tell me, is it a AP? Is it a GP? No, it is neither an AP nor an GP. So a new question, what we have to do? We have to convert this in GP first. Okay, let's check it whether all the terms will be in GP or few terms in the AP, beginning in the GP and in the AP. Let's check it. Okay, so just to make a GP, now what can we do it? Just look here now. If I am just taking 4 common, what I will be getting? 1 plus 11 like this to n terms. Okay. Now still it is not in the GP, neither GP nor AP. So what I am doing now, I am multiplying and dividing by 9. To n terms. Now is it a GP? No, still now it is not a GP. But what the benefit is by multiplying and dividing by 9, to this 9 now I can write it 10 minus 1. Subtracting 1 from 10 gives us 9. Subtracting 1 from 100 gives us 99. Subtracting 1 from 1000 gives us 999, like this to n terms. Still now it is not a GP. Now just split it. 4 by 9, now 10 plus 100 plus 1000 to n terms. One thing, negative of, now subtracting 1, 1, 1 from each term. To n terms. Okay. Now you will see this becomes a GP and this becomes an AP. Okay. So this becomes now, this becomes a GP. Is it clear? Now just using the formula for the summation of the GP series, we are having 10, first term 10, common ratio is again 10 raised to power n minus 1 upon 10 minus 1 minus n. Total terms are n terms are added, okay, and all are 1, okay. So basically we can write it 1 times n, okay. So I am writing only n here. Now this becomes 4 upon 9. Now just taking the LCM, 10 minus 1 is 9. So we are having 10 with 10 raised to power n minus 10 minus 9n divided by 9. I have just taken the LCM. Okay. So finally what we are getting? 4 upon 81, 10 raised to power n plus 1 minus 10 minus 9n. This is the answer. So when a GP sum we have to find, we have to convert it first into GP, something in the formation for the AP, okay, and then we have to solve.